Check it, check, mic, check. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, troops, wherever you are in the world, and welcome to the channel. Mark, that's me, my words, where we follow trading, traveling, and training. As always, before we get into this very quick video, please continue to hit that subscribe button down there and help me to grow the channel. If you do enjoy the content, give me a thumbs up. You know the score by now, troops. So, first things to say, happy Friday. And I was wrong. I was completely wrong yesterday. I did say that I expect... Oh, can you hear that? There's builders downstairs making a right racket. So if there's some interference, I do apologise. Can hear them drilling. It's doing my nutting. But yeah, I did say that I expected, the markets were already down in pre-market. And I was expecting that to translate into the trading. Which, I mean, if we look at the 5-minute chart, it just never happened. It literally never happened. We quickly regained the pre-market drop right from the open, straight out of the gates. A high of 1777 troops, quite high volume as well, a little bit more than the 3-monthly average there. And we're touching on the cusp of that former support level. Look, we're just trying to push back into it now. So I can't explain it, troops. I really can't. It seems that, Wall Street doesn't like inflation, doesn't like the end of COVID, but start a war, boom, there you go. Have some massive gains, everybody. Treat yourselves. So I got it wrong. But I got it wrong to the plus side. So there you go. Every cloud has a silver lining. I'm not a financial expert or anything like that. I just say what I see. So there you go. Anyway, good day for AMC, closing at 17.68, up 12.4% on the day, $1.95 on the share. And as I said, we are, just touching back on that level of support. So let's see if it continues into today, the momentum, and we get a break above that and reclaim that area of support. Just look at it on the weekly. You can see there we did drop down below that previous week where it was acting as support. So again, would like to see it push back in there. A couple of things I do like to see, troops, on the candles. If you look at the weekly candle there, that's a hammer candle. That shows really, really good strength throughout the week, getting back up there. And then on the daily candles, we have this green candle here, which next to the red candle, you'll see this is called a bullish engulfing candle because it's bigger by some distance than the previous red candle. So bullish, troops, bullish candle patterns. Let's see where that leads us. Over to GME, everyone's favourite meme stock. Again, look at this on the daily. We've got a bullish engulfing candle there. We are now back into that 110, 130 range. So again, want to see that today. There's a couple of theories out there about price action for GME this week, T+2 OPEX, and then there's another theory about so many trading days between earnings and you get a jump, and so there's all those theories out there. If you have followed my channel, you know that I tend to not get hyped up about those things. I concentrate more on the price and the chart action rather than the theory behind what may or may not be driving that. That's just the way I am. That's how I like to do it. So if those theories play out, absolutely fantastic. I'm all for it. I do read them. I do take note of them. I try to learn from them. But it's not something that I will sit on my channel and say, this is it. This is going to be the one. This is the one that drives the price to the moon. Same with the rulings that come out and the new rules that everybody needs to abide by. I've seen some SEC have released some rules now, some new rules. And everybody, starts chattering about those. Great, I read them, I take note of them, but I don't get hyped up about them. So yesterday for GameStop, another good day, 8.5%, $9.71 on the share, closing at 124.58. And if we look at that on the weekly chart, you can see there that we're comfortably in that. We did dip below that towards the beginning of the week, but now pushing back up again. So really, really, I would say excited, but I'm more intrigued by what's going to happen today because of all the factors that are playing into it. You know, these dates, these rules, this Ukraine thing. You know, it's just all this mix of different factors pulling the market this way and that way. So for me, it's really exciting to see how it goes. See if there's a bit of a pullback from yesterday or see if we get that continuation. But ultimately, troops, it's Friday, so we're going into the weekend. It has been a short trading week, only 4 days. I hope you've had a good one. I hope you've turned some profits this week. And that's it. That's all I've got for you in this video. That's all I've got for you this week. I will be back on Monday to have a look ahead at next week's trading, see what's gone on over the weekend. So do look out for that. In the meantime, wherever you are in the world, as always, do take care of yourselves and each other. And I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, troops.